All right, little buddies. Today we're going to talk about a really cool saying. Every dog has its day. Imagine you're at a park and you see all kinds of dogs playing. There's a tiny dog, a huge fluffy dog, and even a dog that loves to chase its tail. Now, each of these dogs will have a special moment when they shine the brightest. Maybe the tiny dog finds a big stick and carries it all by itself, or the fluffy dog wins a game of catch. That's what every dog has its day means. Everyone, no matter how big or small, will have a time when they get to be the star of the show, feeling super special and happy. This fun saying has been around for a really long time, like a treasure from a long-lost pirate chest. It first started wagging its tail in stories and speeches hundreds of years ago. People back then knew that just like dogs in the park, everyone gets a turn to have their very own shining moment. It was a way to remind everyone to stay hopeful and keep wagging their tails, because their special day was sure to come around. So, next time you're playing or maybe feeling a bit left out, remember, every dog has its day, and your amazing moment is on its way, just like those playful pups in the park. Keep smiling, keep shining, and who knows, today might just be your day to find the biggest stick in the park. And here's a little poem to illustrate. In a cozy little town where the sun always shines, lived a small doggy, Buster, with dreams as big as pines. He watched the big dogs play, fetch and run, wishing for his moment, his day in the sun. Buster was tiny, not fast or strong, but his heart was huge and his hopes were long. Every dog has its day, he'd hear folks say, dreaming his special day wasn't far away. One sunny morning, the town had a race, a big event, a speedy chase. Buster watched, wishing to join the fun, hoping his moment under the sun had begun. As the race started, Buster took a chance. He jumped into the lineup, ready to prance. The big dogs laughed. You're too small to compete. But Buster was determined. He wouldn't accept defeat. The whistle blew and off they ran. Buster's little legs moved fast as they can. Through the park, over hills, past a big oak tree. Buster kept running, as determined as could be. Then something strange and wonderful happened. The big dog's tired, but Buster's energy deepened. Past one, then another, Buster took the lead, his little legs moving at incredible speed. Crossing the finish line, Buster won the race. A huge smile spread across his tiny face. Every dog has its day, the crowd cheered aloud. Buster felt so proud, standing out in the crowd. From that day on, Buster became a town hero. From the smallest dog to 1-0 to hero. His story was told from the young to the old about the little dog with a heart so bold. So remember, little friends, when you're feeling small, every dog has his day. You can stand tall. Your moment will come, maybe sooner or late. Just like Buster, you'll find your fate. With determination and heart, you'll find your way. Just keep believing every dog has its day. Buster's tail reminds us all, no matter how small, you too can be tall.